we can give feedback. That which we shall be able to resolve as a sitting of the 4 leaders of Houses of Parliament, we will resolve. That which we will find is above our pay grade, we will take it up to the leadership of the 2 sides of a coalition. But by and large, we want the country to breathe easy and know that we have begun this process with utmost goodwill, wanting to be respectful to each other and wanting the best for our country. Thank you very much.
No questions.
To avoid questions. Unfortunately,
no, we are not fielding any questions.
Unfortunately, allow us,
please.
Because of the sensitivity of what we are dealing with. Allow us not to be.
Please. Thank you very much.
Please kindly. We have sizo siku zingine huwa tunajibu. Leo tukiwaomba kutuelewa. Asanteni sana. God bless you. Thank you.
Aya, ntu agicokereria.
No akena